Hello and welcome to my channel Did It. This is going to be the first video of this channel which is about coding or anything which is programming related. So let's get into it. This video is about Django versus Flask. So there are a lot of programmers out there who have been starting programming and they are in a doubt. They see a lot of videos and they are maybe confused in between Django and Flask. This is the issue what I faced. So I'll keep this video as short as possible, trying to explain what you should go according to the skill set you have right now. Django and Flask both are Python based languages and frameworks, and which you can use for web development and the backend of the web and almost everything. And just by using these languages, we can completely make a website from the very basic HTML to the very high end user auth and sessions and etc. So why Flask and why Django? Depending upon your skill set, if you are very good in Python and you have pretty much of a knowledge in web development, I suggest you go into Django, because Django is a little bit more complicated and Flask is a little bit more easier than Django. The thing about Flask is it is too easy. It is easy up to a point where you feel like your logic does not apply. I hope you are getting my point. It is easy, but you are not able to put the logic. Some functions which you use, you don't know, but you just use it by seeing the YouTube videos, which is good for beginning. And about Django is just about complicated. Let me say just about complicated to match with the logic which you have in mind. Okay, I'll give you an example. This is the code where I'm talking about the URLs. Okay, in Django I can explicitly code for the URLs. There's a separate file for the URL section, and I can code for the URLs, how I want the URL, what kind of URLs I want, like what kind of permalinks I want in the URL. That's how complicated it is, but it is just enough to match your logic. But it is not the same case with the Flask. Flask is easier. It does not have explicit URL programming or something like that. It is rather easier. So both are good. Let me say it once again. Go to Django if you have a prior experience, but if you're just starting, get into Flask. Make 3 projects. One maybe big and 2 maybe small. Maybe like a small e-commerce website, or maybe let's say something like a portfolio website, or even maybe a calculator website. Just 3 small projects and jump directly onto Django without waiting for anything. Okay. And it's not much different. The files management system is a little bit different, but if you start with Flask and get into Django, that will be really good. And yeah, that's it about the video. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe. And my further videos will be about the questions which a normal programmer has regarding the programming world. Thank you and have a nice day.